how to use your voice to command attention and engagement. Not demand it, just simply command it. Have you ever been having a conversation with somebody or a group and people talk over you, or they don't pay attention, seem to be paying attention to you? It could be your voice, and there's different voice patterns. For more information about voice patterns and how to use your voice and your emotion and how to stand out as a leader, you can visit my website at mikeaguilera.com on the products page. And back to the voice, I just wanted to say that in case I finish this and I forget to say it. And so, yes, there are different voice patterns that we have. Our voice is a musical instrument. And if you use it properly, you can engage people in conversations and have them just wait and just listen to every word. And so one technique, and again, I mentioned their voice patterns, what I call voice patterns of influence. This is a little bit different than that. This is a technique on engagement. And this technique is simply using a pause, like I did there. And so when you pause, the person or people listening to you seem to create a sense of anticipation, like, okay, what she going to say next? And it also is like in music, the beats between the drum beats, just the sound between the beats. So you don't have to always talk really fast and make sure that no one talks over you or disrupts you. You just use your voice and create rhythm with it. And then also just use pauses where you just simply pause. And then also if someone asks you a question, instead of rapid firely answering the question, oh yes, I can do that, or we can do that. Instead, pause. Okay. And then you answer the question. Because when you pause, it sounds like you're not getting defensive or aggressive, or you're not working off of a script. You're actually thinking about what they just said, which creates more rapport and a sense of caring. So that's just one technique of pausing when someone asks you a question, but pausing when you're going to say something. And that pause will create anticipation on what you're going to say. So you can pause right before you're going to say something very important, like, yeah, I want you to feel confident that I'm the right person to help you out. And so now they're listening to that second part with more interest, and that'll help people get engaged and also for you to command attention, because they're listening to you in a different level, listening to you in a different way. So just use that strategically. You may be pausing right now, but you may be pausing at the wrong time, or you may not be pausing at all, and just using that as a strategic way of being more influential with your communication so that you're engaging people. And then you're commanding attention, not demanding attention, so that you're branding yourself like a leader, an industry leader. Because your voice, your motion, your words, your gestures, the questions you ask, your rapport engagement, those are all sending out messages where someone's intuition picks it up as, this person is someone I want to help me, hire to help me, or I want to work with me. And it could be an industry leader, as I mentioned, within your industry, or it just could be within your company. If you work for a company and you just want to be seen and experienced as a leader, someone that people want to listen to and respect and take directions from. So my site again is mikeaguilera.com and /products. If you want to go to the products page for the home study course on Connect with Anyone in 90 Seconds or Less, on mindset, first impressions, conversations, understand people, and follow up, and how to really understand people, but also understand yourself so that you're projecting the right brand and the right image for people to see you as that leader. So thank you for listening. I wish you great success. Bye now.